Hi there, how's it going? This is Will McLaren of Trenchtown Wake Park, and we're out here in the beautiful Centennial Park in Quinte, West Ontario. Phil Kerr is just about to get started going on a little adaptive wakeboarding right now on our System 2. This is the easiest way actually to get up on a wakeboard and start working on your tricks from beginner to experts. And it's an amazing way we can actually teach as many people as possible while keeping the cost down at the same time, which is an amazing thing we can pull off. It's actually a much easier source to get everyone out and riding on the water.
We're just gonna get Willie up here.
Just about to get Phil going now. Phil Kerr of Twisted Mountie, about to go for a quick adaptive wakeboarding set, which is fantastic. Helping spread the stoke and do a little bit of R&D with the actual piece of technology that we have here, which is fantastic. Absolutely loving having him out here. It's been amazing.
Yeah, it's good for stress testing the cables and working on our driving skills.
Absolutely. So right here, you can see him going down, just doing a couple switchbacks. And what's amazing about this cable system is if he carves out just like this, the cable itself is able to pull him back and swing him around in a pendulum motion, which makes basically an endless ride until you want to call it quits. Absolutely amazing technology for what we have around this area. Thank you to SESTEC and System 2.0 for helping us get this all set up here.
So about the equipment, what's it all entail?
The System 2.0 has been designed by some engineers in Germany, and what this entails basically is what you can see here. It's almost a giant galvanized step ladder and a VFD drive. And what that does is it pulls this cable system and pulley system back and forth across the waterbed there, providing a very consistent and a very easy pull for any wakeboarder or wake skater trying to participate.
Speed adjustment?
Speed adjustment, we can go as slow or as fast as you'd like. Obviously, when we're doing beginners, we're able to adjust the speed and help them adjust to the comfortability on the water and their desire to maneuver themselves around on the board.
You'll watch, I'll actually turn it down for him here when I switch the corner, and then I'll speed him right back up so he doesn't get whipped too much.
So what's the length of a ride if somebody were to...
Generally, we'll be offering multiple ways. We're going to be starting out with a 20-minute lesson. That's your basic setup. 20 minutes of riding is almost exactly 20 minutes of riding just because of how easily we're able to bring the carrier back to you and instruct you. So generally be about 20 minutes. That would include your very basic rental equipment, basic lesson from Nico or myself or another staff member. And that would be going for about $35 to $40. We also have the option of renting out the entire cable system for an hour. If you'd like to bring, 2 or 3 friends and you want to have it split up, try and learn together, we can do that. Same system. We would have still lessons with all of our each individual. Rental equipment would be included, and that would be going for about $90 to $95 right now. For the long-term wakeboarder who wants to keep doing this, throughout the season, we'll also be offering summer passes and monthly passes, just depending on what everyone's preferences are.
Your population you're attracting?
Really, we're trying to attract anyone. Wakeboarding is an amazing sport that anyone really can do. We're looking for anyone who's comfortable in the water and wants to just have a good time. As long as they can swim and are comfortable in the water, we're absolutely willing to teach them. We can go from, age 6 to 66 if you want. It's really as long as you want to do this. Really, we have the great advantage because we're the only cable park east of Toronto until you get to Quebec. We've really secured the 401 corridor, which has been fantastic for us to utilize the tourism in not only Quinte West and Belleville, but also the kiteboarders and surfers that come out to the Sandbanks and Prince Edward County. So we're really able to offer a new option for getting out in the water for a lot of people east of Toronto, which has really helped out a lot for us, we'd say.
So it's from the competitive to the beginner, all ages.
Competitive to the beginner. This is the same system that professional contests use, and this is also pretty much the easiest way to get up on a wakeboard. Whether you're young or old, doesn't matter. This is the easiest way to do just because of how high it is off the water. It gives you much more of an upward pull as you're going.
Consistent.
Yes, very consistent. And especially with us being able to vary the speeds, we can also go, so you can be, 10 pounds, 100 pounds, 200 pounds, and we can keep a very consistent pull no matter what. It's always the same drive between even myself and my partner. Even the size difference is always the same.
So I'm over 200 pounds, so I can't do this?
No, absolutely. I'm over 200 pounds.
I'm just kidding.
Do this.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thanks very much.
No worries. Thank you very much for looking into us. Check us out Trenchtown Wake Park on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We're also will be updating our website in the next few weeks, trenchtown.ca, so check us out there. Hope to see you out here. It's like my second interview.
Perfect. I'll put that up. No problem.
Hey, man, thank you so much. Appreciate that.